Hello, guys, welcome back to Lantu Ebike channel. As a professional OEM manufacturer specialized in electric bicycles, we provide fully customized solutions to build your ideal high-performance e-bike. This model is powered by a strong 3000-watt motor, matched with a 72-volt 20-ampere large-capacity lithium battery, delivering reliable power and long-lasting riding range for daily commuting and outdoor adventures. It features full suspension and a hydraulic suspension fork, effectively absorbing shocks and ensuring a smooth and stable ride even on rough roads. For safety and control, the bike is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes that offer strong, responsive stopping power in all conditions. The 26*4.0-inch puncture-resistant fat tires provide excellent grip, stability and durability, reducing the risk of flats and enhancing riding comfort. We also support full customization, including your own logo, color, design, and configuration to help you build a unique and competitive brand. With professional production, strict quality control and flexible customization service, we are your trusted partner for electric bicycle OEM projects.